Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sugar snap peas. First, let's get them ready. It's super important to wash your peas well under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, you'll want to trim off those little tough ends and pull any strings from the pods. This ensures a tender bite. Having all your ingredients and tools ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started. One of the quickest and most delicious ways to cook sugar snap peas is by sautéing them. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite oil, like olive oil, or a knob of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Toss in your prepared peas and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring them so they cook evenly. You'll know they're perfect when they turn a vibrant green and are still wonderfully crisp. Finish with a little salt and pepper to taste. If you prefer a more tender texture, steaming is an excellent option. Fill a pot with about 1 inch of water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Place your sugar snap peas in a steamer basket, ensuring they are in a single layer for even cooking. Cover the pot and let them steam for 3 to 5 minutes. They should be tender but still have a slight bite. Once done, drain them right away and season as you like for a simple, healthy side. Now that your sugar snap peas are perfectly cooked, let's talk about how to enjoy them. They make a fantastic, vibrant side dish for almost any meal, especially with grilled meats or fish. For a quick salad, toss them with a light vinaigrette. They also add a wonderful crunch and beautiful color to stir fries or pasta dishes. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can really elevate their natural sweetness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.